We are here today with Abhi Dwivedi. Abhi, welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to be talking about a video creator, but more, not even a video creator. It's like a movie creator, something
Yeah.
different than what we've been seeing lately on the market, a different kind of way of engaging customers and getting people to actually perhaps uh, actually engage with your marketing material. It's really hard to get people's attention these days. So it's definitely a battle that we're always in. You've got a product here that we're going to be talking about today that's going to allow us to create these kind of emotional videos from what I've seen so far. I'm going to read off the headline here. It says, type and create AI short movie and video generator. New text to video AI technology converts any text into professional animated AI videos and movies in under 2 minutes. So bring us into this. What's this all about and why should we be excited?
Yeah. So what movie essentially does, it lets you create these short movies around a topic, whatever topic you give it. Like, for example, you can literally type this smaller sentence, like a kid who recently received his hearing aid is now enjoying his life. So what movie reel does, it takes this little sentence,
Mhm.
crafts a really nice emotional driven entertaining script around it, generates characters using AI, builds a storyboard, and animates everything together into a really nice this animated movie where characters are walking, talking, AI generated background music in the background, characters dialogues being spoken, and everything put together that you can use to, then you promote your e-commerce store that sells hearing aids, right? So the idea is, the problem that we're trying to solve is people don't want to watch advertorials or ads that are not emotionally connected,
Mhm.
or videos that are not entertaining. Nobody wants to watch a video that's not entertaining because of the whole Instagram reel and TikTok era. So what movie reel does, it lets you create these entertaining, enjoyable, easy to watch videos about any topic, that then you can use it to create, your own faceless YouTube channel or Instagram account, in different topics like animal facts about animals and all these different niches, and earn ad dollar. Or you could help create these entertaining advertorials or video ads for brands, for local businesses, for restaurants, for e-commerce stores, to help them tell their side of the story and sell their product a lot better. And then you can, of course, charge thousands of dollars for it, because animation is really expensive.
Mm.
The real good animators charge $1,000 for a minute worth of animation, um, which you can do absolutely with AI using Movie Reel. And you can create these movies in different genre as well. You can have cartoons, anime, cinematic, real life, 3D, whatever. Like, I think we support about 20 different styles, and then you can control everything: the camera angles, the lighting, the dialogues. You can create your
You're
own
like a
custom
director
character.
of your own, you're like a director of your own movie, essentially.
Yes, you have full control over it. Like, for like, some people like to have more control over it. Some people like to have less control over it. You don't really need to edit any of these. The AI does it, but you still have control over all of this. And then you can create characters. You can put yourself into the character as well. You can put your own picture, image, and AI will use you as a character of that movie and show you moving around, talking, and having dialogues and everything. So it's a brilliant creative tool.
It sounds really cool. I mean, you look at big companies like Apple,
Yeah,
Coca-Cola, where
yeah,
their classic best advertisements aren't just
yeah,
like, this is our new product that we've come out and talking about the features and everything like
yeah,
that. It's there's like a story, there's something going on in it, and maybe you don't sometimes you don't even find out until the end of the commercial that it's actually
yeah,
even a commercial about the product.
yeah,
And
yeah,
it sounds like with this, you can kind of do stuff like that and make it more
yeah,
emotional, make it more of a story, make it so that people are actually listening to it. And
yeah,
if they don't feel like they're getting advertised to, then they're going to
yeah,
be much more open. Their BS detectors are going to be
yeah.
a lot lower.
Love
And
it. Yeah,
I mean, if you've got a terrible product, doesn't matter how great your advertising is, you're not going to sell it, right?
yeah,
It does that doesn't matter. But if you've got a good product and you've got something that you know that you want to be like, you want to get people's eyes on, whether it's your product or it's a like a local business, like you talked about, you can definitely make it so that you can tell that story. Question for you, and I've heard
yeah,
people ask this about other video creators, when you create a story and like let's say you have a character, you mentioned I could make a character with like me in it. Does
Yeah.
that character remain inside the whole storyboard or does it change? Like some people ask, can you have the same character throughout the whole video?
Yeah. So it's going to be the same character through the entire video. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. People, because I've had customers ask that before, and they've been looking for a solution that will
Yeah.
create that for them. You guys are doing this. This isn't. If you're watching this before the launch, this isn't live yet. But I know you guys are going to be announcing this to the world on Tuesday, correct? At
Yeah.
10 a.m. Eastern, you're going to be doing a special pre-launch webinar. You've got a special discount on there. You're going to be doing a bundle where people can get the entire sales funnel at a discounted price. So if you guys want to sign up for that, go ahead and click that link below. You can sign up and get access to that and be sure to get in on it soon or earlier than everyone else. But what I do want to do today is you've sent me a quick demo that will kind of give people a little bit of a sneak peek inside. So I'm going to
Yeah.
play that really quick, let you guys take a look inside, and we'll be back in a sec.
Welcome to MovieReel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use MovieReelAI to create short movies, stories, ads, and videos for your faceless YouTube, TikTok, Instagram channels, and even for your clients. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you can create a new project by simply entering an idea, or if you have a ready-made script, you can copy paste that script. For our demo, we're going to go with an idea. So I'm going to click on write prompt. I'm going to give it an idea. Let's say I want to create a short story video about a space cat who turns into a space pirate. Now, that's all I have to write and click on next. Now, what MovieReelAI is going to do, it's going to take this idea and convert it into an entire story with characters, dialogues, narration, and everything added in between. Now, once your script and your story is ready, you can modify it, review it, and click on next to start generating your cast and characters. Now, MovieReelAI is going to create AI generated characters for your story, for your movie, and then you can give your product a name, pick from 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1 video. Next, you can pick, do you want dialogues in your movie or do you want it to be a narration based video? So you can pick from all these different narrator voices and create, so for example, we're going to pick this one. We're going to do a narration based video, and these are the characters. Now, if you don't like the characters, what you can do is you can switch, add voice, face switch, or edit these characters, or if you want, you can add a new character as well based on your own face or character. Next, you can pick from over 50 different types of videos. So you can create a shadow box, you can create anime style, cybernetic, horror, grudge, luxury, abstract, whatever design you want, you could do it. For our case, let's do a horror and click on next. Now what you see here is it has divided your story and script into multiple screens. Now in our case, we have about 6 different screens that have been created. Next, we're going to go on creating the shots. Now, what MovieReelAI is going to do is going to take that script and start converting that script into full storyboard with animated images, image to video, dialogues, voiceover, music, background effects, everything all added for you, including a thumbnail that's created for you, as you can see right over here. Now let's try and edit this video. Now as you can see, MovieReel has created all the 6 scenes right over here that you can see, and each scene is full of different images, all AI generated with shot type, character dialogues, camera angles, lighting, mood, that all of these can be customized completely. And wherever there's a dialogue, you can select the dialogue and you can pick who the dialogue is going to be spoken by. And you can see there are all different scenes that have been created, all sorts of different images with complete stories. Everything is here. Now, what you can do is the image that you see here is going to have wide angle shot and some animation on it. But what we want to do is we want to turn it into a video. So I'm going to copy this prompt, click on generate video and put prompt for video and click on generate and let AI create a video clip out of this little scene. And now when I mouse over on this image, you can see it has been created into a short video clip. Now I'm going to do the same with a couple of these clips right here. Generate video. I'm going to leave this as it is. I'm going to do this one, generate video. And of course, If I want to add, edit, or modify anything in any of these images by adding text or whatever, I can do that by clicking on Short Editor. That takes me to the Short Editor. And over here, I can change the frame. I can add text layer. I can add more images, character dialogue, sound effect, volume setting. I can customize it as I want. Now heading back, you can see the videos are being generated. The same way I can modify all these different scenes, and I can add more to it. I can remove more from it. And then once I'm ready, once all of these are done, once the videos are generated, I can preview it. And you can see the video in action over here, and all the clips will be put together so you can preview and see how the whole thing looks like. And once you're ready, you click on render and the video will start rendering for you to start downloading and publishing it on Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you want. Now you can also create new characters and reuse all the characters from your previous videos into a combined video if you want to do that. And then of course you can schedule and build up an entire month's worth of movies and video clips and education content, edutainment content, and ads on your multiple Facebook, YouTube accounts, all from the single dashboard over here. Or, of course, you can always download them and publish them wherever you want. And rendering is super fast, and that's how MovieReel helps you create an incredible short movie that is entertaining and tells a story like never before. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We'll be happy to help you.
Okay, so we are back. So Abhi, it looks really cool. Talk to us about limitations on it and what the bundle does as far as if they did want to go through the sales funnel one by one, what's going to happen there, how long videos can they create with that, and if they decide to instead get that bundle, how does that work?
Right. So what we're doing is on the front end, MovieReelAI Premium, you can pick that up for $37 on the early birds hour. It's going to cost you 37, like I said, and you can create up to 3 minute long videos, 100 videos in total.
Okay.
And then you can upgrade to unlimited, where you can create 10 minutes long video, 500 videos every single month for a whole year. And then you got professional, where you can create videos in different languages. You can have characters in different ethnicity. You can have captions in different language, voiceovers in different language, everything international. You could do that with professional. And then the enterprise, where you get enterprise level features to give your clients preview of the video, team member access, agency websites, all that stuff. And what we're going to be doing is on the 25th Feb, on the pre-launch webinar at 10 a.m. Eastern, we're going to bundle all of this together at a really discounted 70% discounted price of 267. We get to pay 267 and then get access to all of this all at once, along with a bunch of bonuses and additional training that we're going to be doing. And this is going to be webinar exclusive deal. We're not going to be offering it after the webinar.
Okay, so if you get the bundle, you're going to be saving. Do you know how much you're going to be saving? Is it
About 70% on the entire
70%?
lineup.
Okay, so it's a pretty big deal. If you're planning on going all in on this, and if you're planning on upgrading, then most likely it makes sense to get the bundle. But if that's not what you want to do, you can go through it one by one if you like to. But I like the fact that you've got you said you have a 3 minute. There's
on the front end.
3 minute on the front end, and you can do up to 10 minutes if you get that bundle, or if you upgrade to the unlimited.
Yes.
You can get the
correct.
You can get that 10 minutes. That's a long, quite a long movie. Can you control how long? Can you say I want it to be X amount of minutes long?
So you can't say how many minutes you want it, but you can control the length of the script. You can control how many scenes are there, and that way you can control how long the movie is going to be.
Very cool. Abhi, thank you so much for coming on the show today. Is there anything else, anything we missed, anything you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
No, I would definitely say if you're looking for the best deal, be on the webinar, because we're going to be showing some case studies, some use cases of how others are using this to make money online. It's going to be an incredible session. And of course, we're going to be dropping the best deal that you could ever grab. So yeah, if you have the time, make sure to be on the webinar. And thank you for having me again, Mike.
Again, thank you so much for coming on the show, and best of luck with your launch.
Cheers. Thank you.